In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file, invite someone with edit access, and move it into the right project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give the right person editing permissions and keep your work organized in the correct project space. First, open the file you want to collaborate on and look for the Share button, usually found near the top of the window. Clicking Share opens the Access panel, where you control who can view or edit. This is your central place for managing collaboration, so it's worth getting familiar with it. In the field that asks for people to add, type the person's email address carefully. Small typos can send invites to the wrong place or delay access, so double check the spelling. If there's an optional message box, a short note about what you want them to do can be helpful context for the recipient. Next, click Invite. Before you finalize, make sure their permission is set correctly. By default, many tools set new invites to view only. Change it to edit so they can actively make changes rather than just look. Editing access lets them modify content, update designs or text, and contribute directly. Use this level only for people you trust to work inside the file. And remember, you can always change it later if needed. Now let's keep things organized by placing the file in the right home. Click on Move to Project. Projects help you group related files, keep permissions consistent, and make it easier for your team to find what they need. When the project list appears, choose the project that matches where this file should live. If you're not sure which one is correct, think about where teammates would expect to find it, or which project governs the workstream. After selecting the destination, confirm by clicking Move and Allow Edits. This option ensures the person you just invited retains the editing permissions after the move. It's especially important when shifting files between areas with different default settings, because moving without allowing edits can unintentionally downgrade someone's access. The confirmation may summarize who will keep editing rights. Scan it quickly to make sure it looks right, then proceed. That's it. You've shared the file, granted edit access to the right person, and placed the file neatly in the appropriate project. Keeping these steps in this order helps prevent access issues and keeps your workflow tidy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to review the exact clicks